Hello students, in my previous lecture I discussed about factors. Today we will solve some examples to find the factors of a given number. My first example is find all the factors of 28. We all know that factors of a number divides the number exactly. So we will start dividing by 1. 1 2s are 2, 1 8s are 8. If we are getting remainder as 0, it means 1 is a factor of 28. Now let us divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Again the remainder is 0. So 2 is a factor of 28. Now let us divide by 3. 3 9s are 27. This time our remainder is not equal to 0. It means 3 is not a factor of 28. Now we will try with the next number 4. 4 7s are 28. Remainder is 0. It means 4 is a factor of 28. Let us try for 5. 5 5s are 25. Remainder is 3 not equal to 0. It means 5 is not a factor of 28. Now let us try for 6. 6 4s are 24. Remainder is not equal to 0. It means again 6 is not a factor of 28. Let us try for 7. 7 4s are 28. We are getting remainder as 0. And now observe, we are getting here the multiplication fact 7 into 4 equals 28. And here also we have got 4 into 7 equal 28. Both of the multiplication facts are same. Whenever we will get the same multiplication fact, we will stop. Thus, the factors of 28 are 1, 28, 2, 14. 3 will not be a factor. Then we will write 4, 7. 5 will not be a factor. 6 will not be a factor. 7 and 4 I have already written. So 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. All these are the factors of 28. Let us solve the same question with another method by listing the multiplication facts of 28. First of all, 1 into 28 equals 28. Every number is divisible by 1. So 1 is a factor of every number. Next, 2. Now we can observe that 28 is an even number. It will be divisible by 2. And we have done here also. So we know that 2 multiplied by 14 will become 28. Here we have got that 3 is not a factor of 28. So we will not write this number. We will go to 4. 4 7s are 28. 5 is not a factor. 6 is not a factor. So we have done with 7. 4s are 28. And then comes 14 2s are 28 and 28 1s are 28. Here we have observed whenever we have got the same multiplication fact, after that we will start getting the same numbers. So 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Same here 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. We are getting the same numbers. So the factors are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Now from next time when we will start getting the same multiplication fact, we will stop writing these numbers because these are same. Let us take another example. Write the factors of 45. We will start again with 1. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. Divisible. So 1 is a factor. Now we can observe 45 is an odd number. It should not be divisible by 2. So we will try with 3. 3 ones are 3 and then 3 fives are 15. It means 3 is a factor. Again 45 is an odd number. So it will not be divisible by 4. We will start dividing by 5. 5 nines are 45. 6 sevens is 42. It means 45 is not divisible by 6. 7 6 are 42. Again not completely divisible by 7. 8 fives are 40. 8 6 are 48. Again not divisible by 8. Then 9 fives are is 45. We are getting the remainder as 0. One more thing, 9 fives are and 5 nines are. Again we have got the same multiplication facts here. We can see when we will get the same multiplication fact, we will stop. Therefore, the factors of 45 are 1, 45, 3, 15, 5, 9. Thus, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45 are the factors of 45. Now, another method, listing the multiples. We know that every number is divisible by 1. So, first factor will be 1 into 45. Now, second, 3 multiplied by 15. Then, 5 multiplied by 9. And then, 9 multiplied by 5. When we will get the same multiplication fact, put a line here. It means now we will get the repeated factors. So now write here factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Clear? Now following these two questions, you will solve your question number 3 of worksheet number 5. I am showing you the pic of these questions. Thank you.